Here's the bottom line, gentlemen. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness, pain, or loss of independence. Yes, your body changes, but with the right nutrition, you can fight back. So here's your simple action plan. Pick one of the yogurts we talked about today, like Skyr, Greek, coconut, or goat milk, and add it to your routine. Pair it with movement. Even a 15-minute walk helps. And stay consistent. Healing takes time, but every day you take care of your gut, you reduce pain, and rebuild strength. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more science-backed senior health tips, and share it with a friend who could use this info. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. You're not broken, you're just underfueled. I'm Dr. Florence Nightingale. Thanks for watching, and stay strong. Most men over 60 assume that joint pain and muscle loss are just part of aging. But what if I told you there are hidden causes behind your arthritis and shrinking strength? And that something as simple as the right kind of yogurt could change everything? Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Green, a board-certified urologist who's spent over 30 years helping men over 50 reclaim their vitality. And today, we're talking about 4 powerful yogurts that don't just taste great. They can help stop arthritis pain, rebuild muscle, and even boost blood flow. So if you're tired of stiffness, weak legs, and feeling like your best days are behind you, stick around. This might be the most helpful health advice you hear this year. The real reason arthritis and muscle loss hit hard after 60. Here's the truth. What most men think is just aging is often the result of inflammation and poor nutrition. After age 50, your testosterone drops. Your gut microbiome, the bacteria that protect your joints, muscles, and even your heart, changes. You lose lean muscle faster. And your joints? They become more inflamed due to foods high in processed sugar, low in natural probiotics, and lacking essential nutrients. But here's the encouraging part. Scientific studies now show that certain probiotic-rich yogurts can reverse much of this damage. They reduce inflammation. They improve protein absorption for muscle growth, and they can even enhance blood flow, which means better mobility, better energy, and even better performance where it counts. How diet triggers or soothes joint pain. You are what you eat, and nowhere is that more obvious than in your joints and muscles. When you eat foods loaded with added sugars, bad fats, and artificial ingredients, your body responds with a silent war: inflammation. But when you feed your body probiotic-rich, anti-inflammatory foods, it's like sending in peacekeepers. They calm the immune system, they repair tissue damage, they help your body build rather than break down. That's where yogurt comes in. But not just any yogurt. I'm about to share the top 4 yogurts I recommend to my older male patients, specifically for stopping arthritis pain, improving gut health, and helping rebuild muscle tissue. Let's dive in. Yogurt number 1. Icelandic Skyr. Skyr isn't just a fancy European name, it's a nutritional powerhouse. It's thicker than Greek yogurt and higher in protein. Just one serving can pack over 20 grams of protein, essential for maintaining and rebuilding muscle mass after 60. It's also low in sugar, high in calcium, and rich in lactobacillus, a probiotic that's been shown to reduce inflammatory arthritis symptoms in older adults. How to use it? Add a scoop of Icelandic Skyr to your breakfast, or mix it into a smoothie with berries and chia seeds. Go for plain, unflavored varieties. Skip the added sugars. Yogurt number 2, Greek yogurt with live cultures. This is probably the most familiar on the list, but the key is making sure it contains live and active cultures, like Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium. These friendly bacteria help support gut health, which in turn controls inflammation throughout the body, including in your knees, hips, and hands. Even better? Greek yogurt is high in leucine, an amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Pro tip: choose unsweetened, full-fat Greek yogurt. The fat helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins like D and K, crucial for bone and joint strength. Yogurt number 3, probiotic coconut yogurt. Now, if you're lactose intolerant or just want a dairy-free option, Don't worry, there are great alternatives. One of the best is probiotic coconut yogurt. Made from fermented coconut milk, it's rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, healthy fats that provide quick energy and may even support testosterone levels. And when it's made with live probiotic cultures, it's fantastic for gut health and reducing joint inflammation. How to enjoy it? Try mixing coconut yogurt with ground flaxseed and cinnamon, both of which are anti-inflammatory. Just make sure to check the label. It should say live cultures and have no added sugar. Goat milk yogurt. Many older men find cow's milk hard to digest, especially with age-related declines in lactase enzyme levels. That's where goat milk yogurt shines. It's easier on the gut, contains less lactose, and still provides high-quality protein and calcium. Even better, it contains unique fats and proteins that reduce inflammation markers like CRP, C-reactive protein, often elevated in arthritis patients. Who is it for? If you've had bloating or discomfort from dairy in the past, give goat milk yogurt a try. Top it with walnuts and a drizzle of honey for an anti-inflammatory, muscle-friendly snack. Here's the bottom line, gentlemen. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness, pain, or loss of independence. Yes, your body changes, but with the right nutrition, you can fight back. So here's your simple action plan. Pick one of the yogurts we talked about today, like Skyr, Greek, coconut, or goat milk, and add it to your routine. Pair it with movement. Even a 15-minute walk helps. And stay consistent. Healing takes time, but every day you take care of your gut, you reduce pain, and rebuild strength. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more science-backed senior health tips, and share it with a friend who could use this info. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. You're not broken, you're just underfueled. I'm Dr. Florence Nightingale. Thanks for watching and stay strong.